Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, Pound USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Pound USD in front of us right now, my favorite 4-hour time frame. In my previous video, when I told you that you should short the market at this resistance level, I did not expect that market will be going down this much. Honestly speaking, I did not expect that market will see some heavy sell-off. Okay, I was thinking that if you short the market here, then you can easily earn profit till here, but I did not expect that market will be crossing this crucial support here. Anyways, we can clearly see that right now market is under the heavy dominance of sellers, or market is heavily bearish right now. And surprisingly, when I check the Forex sentiment meter, okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find the uh, Forex sentiment meter. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that in this bearish market, in this market where almost all the levels were gone, okay, in this market 83% retail traders have taken long position and 16% retail traders have taken short position. And this is the main reason, my dear friends, this is the main reason retail traders, 90% retail traders lose money. They lose money because they think that, okay, market is going down, okay, they think that market has reached the bottom and market will reverse, and as a result they fail to follow the trend of the market. We all know it pretty well. In fact, each and every trader knows it very well that we should follow the trend of the market. But tell me one thing very honestly, how many of us really follow the trend? We hardly follow the trend, and most of the time we see standing against the trend. Okay, and this is the main thing happens with all the retail traders. And you can see that in this market where there is a heavy sell-off going on, and 83% retail traders have taken long position. Yes. Anyways, if we go to the Forex heat map, we can see that in the Forex heat map there is a change of 0.18% right now going on in the GBP USD chart. And if you're looking for more bearish market, then you can go to New Zealand dollar. You can use this Forex heat map tool to identify the best Forex pairs to trade. For example, this is the Euro USD. Okay, you can see that the box of Euro USD is very light, which means that there is not much movement going on in the Euro USD. The heat is missing. Where is the heat? You will find heat in USD, or you will find heat in NZD Euro. Okay, so this is how you need to use the Forex heat map. I'll be telling you, or I'll be discussing about the Forex heat map in a different video. And if you go to the Forex volatility calculator here, then we can see that GBP USD, yeah. Where is the GBP USD? Yeah, here is GBP USD. You can see that GBP USD is having a movement of 112 pips per day, and we are getting a 28 pips movement in 4 hours. Okay, so volatility calculator tells you how much profit you can expect, or how much pips movement you can expect in your time frame. For example, you can expect 5.8 pips movement in 5 minutes. You can expect 32 pips movement in 30 minutes. You can expect 35 pips movement in 1 hour, and you can expect 112 pips movement in 1 day. Okay, so clear. Let's go back to the chart of GBP USD. Okay, so this is a chart of GBP USD, and clearly you can see that this market is under the dominance of sellers. And as this support level is gone right now, okay, because this level was acting as a crucial support for the market for the last 1 month, and right now you can clearly see that this support level is gone. This support level is shattered. Therefore, this support level is no longer valid. And if you look at the chart of pound USD, then you can clearly see that there is no proper support available in the chart right now. Okay, you feel free to check out in your trading platform or charting platform. Then you can clearly see that there is no support available in the chart right now. This was the only support available in the pound USD chart, 1.3745, and as right now market is trading below this level, and right now market is heavily oversold, I'll tell you not to short the market. Okay, the best position to short the market was here, or when I recommended to short the market at this trend line here. And right now market is heavily oversold, therefore do not short the market right now, as this level will be acting as a resistance for the market right now, because support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So so best trading opportunity in this market right now is when market will be going up again. Okay, this level 1.3745 will act as a resistance for the market. So your duty is to observe the market, observe the price at this price level. If you see price struggling at this level, there is a good possibility that market will be facing struggle, or market will be facing trouble at this level. And if market reverses from here, you just short the market, because the level which was acting as a support for the market for the last 1 month will be acting as a resistance for the market from now onwards. Okay, so we just short the market at this level. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand, there is one more opportunity here. Okay, you just use the stochastic RSI indicator, as stochastic RSI indicator is an oversold position right now. Just keep your eyes in the stochastic RSI. It is an oscillating indicator. Eventually it will be going up here. So when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone and it will be going down again like this, just look at the position of the price. If you find market or price trading below this level, just short the market. So these are the only trading opportunities for us right now. Okay, because see, you can also draw a trend line here, but looking at the present condition of the market, I'll not tell you to go for a buy level at this trend line or at this support level, because this market is under the influence of sellers. The number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers. Therefore do not think about buying here. Okay, drawing a trend line or buying here. Okay, just short the market at the resistance, or just short the market when the market is oversold. So these are the only trading opportunities available in the pound USD chart right now. So my dear friend, do not think about buying here. This market is not for buyers right now. Do not make the same mistake like the other retail traders. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again.